NumPy array initialization, fill with identical values. I need to create a NumPy array of length n, each element of which is v. Is there anything better than? I know zeros and ones would work for v is equal to 0, 1. I could use v asterisk ones, n, but it would be much slower.
I believe fill is the fastest way to do this. You should also always avoid iterating like you are doing in your example. A simple A column equals V will accomplish what your iteration does using NumPy broadcasting.
Updated for NumPy 1.7.0 sad smiley hat tip to @Rolf Bartstra. A equals np.empty, n, a dot fill, 5, is fastest. In descending speed order.
Apparently, not only the absolute speeds but also the speed order, as reported by user 1579844, are machine dependent. Here's what I found. A equals np.empty, 1 times 10 to the power of 4, a dot fill 5 is fastest. In descending speed order. So try and find out and use what's fastest on your platform.
NumPy 1.8 introduced np.full, which is a more direct method than empty, followed by fill, for creating an array filled with a certain value. This is arguably the way of creating an array filled with certain values, because it explicitly describes what is being achieved, and it can in principle be very efficient since it performs a very specific task.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.